Welcome to making your Microsoft Word documents accessible. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create proper color contrast in Microsoft Word. Ensuring appropriate color contrast will help to ensure readability for users with low vision, also helping users with color blindness, cataracts, dyslexia, and even those viewing with tired eyes or in environments with bright light. Open a document in Microsoft Word that you would like to check for color contrast. Select the Review tab. And in the ribbon, select Check Accessibility. The Accessibility Assistant will open on the right. The first heading in the Accessibility Assistant is Color and Contrast, under which is Hard to Read Text Contrast. The 3 here means that I have 3 identified color contrast issues or text that does not meet contrast requirements with the background color. I'm going to select Hard to Read Text Contrast, and the first issue will appear in the Accessibility Assistant, which reads, Current text color is hard to see. Consider a high contrast color so that the text is clearly visible. Try one of these to fix it. Then it offers 3 different colors to replace the text with poor contrast. In this case, the text is the word available in a lighter green color. The Accessibility Assistant is offering 3 darker green shades that will create better contrast and visibility. I'm selecting the middle shade of the 3 suggested greens. As soon as I make my selection, it jumps immediately to the next issue, also scrolling to where the issue is located on my document. I can explore more font colors than the 3 recommended here by selecting the More Font Colors button. I can also select the Page Background button to change the actual background of my entire Word document. For now, I'm going to choose one of these darker mauve shades to replace the light pink text that doesn't meet contrast requirements. I am choosing the middle color again. As soon as I make my selection, it immediately jumps to the final color contrast issue. In this case, I have an aqua color highlighting a light blue text, which does not meet requirements. I am going to select the darkest of the 3 options presented to make sure the text is readable with the highlight. Once I have made my final selection, the Accessibility Assistant updates and has a check mark to the right of the Hard to Read Text Contrast button. In the case of highlighted text, I highly recommend using more muted or pastel shades with the darker text. Even meeting the legal contrast requirement, the dark text over this very bright aqua can be difficult for some to look at and read. To find more muted colors, I am going to select the text I would like to highlight. I'm selecting the Home tab. Then I'm going to find Shading. I'm selecting the drop-down arrow next to Shading, and I can choose any of the more muted or pastel colors near the top. While the Accessibility Assistant in Word does a good job identifying legal compliance for color contrast, this does not guarantee the document will be easily readable by all learners, so always listen to your learners if they have concerns about the color contrast in any of your materials. To recap, open the Accessibility Checker in Word by selecting the Review tab, then check Accessibility in the ribbon. Color and Contrast is the first heading in the Assistant. For each issue, select one of the suggested colors. Always check the entire document when finished to ensure readability.